Hey, what's up? Today we are going to take a look at another product for vehicles. This is a wireless backup camera kit. It is called AUTO-VOX W7PRO. The kit consists of a 5-inch monitor and backup camera. You can also buy the second camera on the front or on the side. I have a front and rear cameras. One of the main features of AUTO-VOX W7PRO is wireless connection of the cameras to monitor. The manufacturer says that this device for trucks and trailers, but also you can install it on any car, hatchback, SUV, etc. So let's start the review with unboxing, and then we will look at design and how to install it. As already said, I have AUTO-VOX W7PRO and the second camera for it, so there are two boxes. In this box, there is only camera with connector cable and power box with antenna. You can also find a small user manual with parameters of the camera and installation tutorial. In this box we have TFT monitor with antenna and connector cable, mount holder with suction cup, camera with connector cable, power box with antenna, car charger, and user manual. I want to mention one more time that the second camera is sold separately. I won't dwell long on design, because it is not the most important thing for this device. The screen has a diagonal of 5 inches and resolution 720p. This is TFT panel, and it is really good even in direct sunlight. The monitor has 3 buttons on the right side, up, down and menu. There is also a removable antenna on the top. The monitor is attached to the dashboard with suction cup. It is movable, so you can choose the angle that you need. The camera is attached to the front or rear of the car, using double-sided adhesive type. By the way, the camera doesn't have any buttons. After you can connect it to power supply, the camera automatically connects to the monitor. Now let's go to Amazon product page and look at the main features of AUTO-VOX W7PRO. As you can see, the main features of the new AUTO-VOX backup camera kit is 2 cameras support, HD image and stable signal. The device is compatible with different vehicles, such as hatchback, SUV, lorry, truck, van, etc. Also, the manufacturer promises good quality in low light conditions. Later we will check this. By the way, the monitor has menu with 5 settings. I will also show it to you a little later. The transmitter is built in the camera, so it doesn't have any external extras. There is an update sensor JX-H65 in AUTO-VOX W7PRO for better image quality. You should also know that the camera is waterproof by IP68 standard, and it is adjustable up and down to 30 degrees. As I already said, the monitor has a menu with 5 options: pair, BC control, MU control, guideline and reset. In the pair menu you can choose the first or the second camera. BC control allows to adjust the brightness and contrast of the screen. Then we have MU control. Here you can switch to mirror, normal, upside and down image. If you don't need a guideline, then you can deactivate it in this menu. And the last option is reset. That's all. The monitor is connected via the standard cigarette lighter. However, I had some issues with installing backup camera, because it has to be connected to the reversing light. Why? When you put your car in reverse gear, the camera is automatically turned on. So the red cable is connected to reversing light power wire and black cable to the ground, any iron part of the vehicle. For testing I installed backup camera with double adhesive type, but it is better to take off the rear license plate and install the camera under it. Now let's take a look at the image quality day and night. By the way, I forgot to tell you that camera has resolution of 800 by 480 pixels and the viewing angle of 118 degrees. You know, the image quality of AUTO-VOX W7PRO is really good, even at night. The monitor also has good quality, so you can see everything from behind your car while parking. I also like that AUTO-VOX W7PRO support 2 cameras. I think this device is good and even must-have for trucks and trailers, but also you can use it with any car. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.